You need a 5mm wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pincer. Loosen the brake arm screw counterclockwise. Cut the brake cable and cap. Remove the brake rubber boot and noodle cable guide pipe. Loosen the brake lever adjustment screw and remove the brake cable. Put the new brake cable into the cable tube. Install the new brake cable guide pipe and rubber boot. Adjust the brake cable. Tighten the brake arm screw clockwise. Install the brake cable and cap. Test and adjust the brake.